Okay, so this is just a simple. This is just the structure of the whole um project we'll be building, right? This is structure. As I said earlier, if you're not following me on my YouTube channel, do well to do so. My goal in this blockchain space is actually to simplify a lot of things for us, both software wise and just generally. Okay, so this is my folder structure, right? And everything is written in ROS. So and what we want to basically build now, okay, within this space of 31 days is just the CLI, right? And if there will be any demand for the full stack project, right, where the UI will just be a button click, right, I'll still go ahead and implement that, right? But now it will just be a CLI, and the CLI will be very very simple and basic. There will not be any much of a write up you need to do. Just simply signing up and logging in. Okay, that's what it is. Just sign up, log in your email and password for cloud services, right? That's just simply what it's all about. But today, as I said earlier in my last post, what we want to do is to start with just simple trying to create our folder structure, which we've done. Okay, and also try to install dependencies. And so dependencies are here. We've actually installed some dependencies. The core dependency we'll be using, and as you go ahead, we still try to install some other dependencies. Okay, and this is just this source folder is where the magic is happening. Okay, as you can see, there's some codes I've written here. Okay, and this code is just a basic code actually. It's just a basic code to just lay the foundation of what we are about to build. And so let me just go to command line. As you can see already, this my test runs. Okay, the test runs are already working. So this um warning here is just that we are not yet using this struct, right? We've not yet used this struct field. Okay, we've not yet used it, and we shall still use it. So but if you're following me on my YouTube channel, I will still drop a video soon, tomorrow or today. Okay, on struct actually. Yeah, I'll drop a video on that on struct. This is it. So our basic what we wanted to achieve today is just to successfully um make our app to be able to accept commands, okay, and pass arguments, and also print out stab output. So meaning that our command routing is fully working. That's what we wanted to achieve today. Just both the folder structure to make sure that our config file is set. Just those basic stuff. Yeah, that's what we wanted to do. So what I will do here is just to do cargo run dash login, and okay, let's see what will happen. It's still building this folder. So these folders are from these files are from our constant, right? These are constant fields, and so we are not yet using it. That's why it's still throwing an error. And so this is our logic output here. If you go to our main.rs, so we just see the logic output here. So this is just basically what our code is doing. This is what our code is just doing. Then if you do log out, it will still print log out logic, meaning that our basic setup is still is working. And so let's do cargo dash install node. oops, okay. I know what happened. Cargo from slash install. I didn't add this space. No, I didn't add this space here. This where is it, sir? I'm at the top of this. I didn't add the space I needed to add, but I added the space here before writing our install node, right? And yeah, this is it. So our setup is really working, and we are done for today. So we kind of did the project we need to do for 3 days, right? Today, tomorrow, and next. That's 3 days. We just did it today, and I'm really happy we are able to finish it today. So let's see if we can be able to finish the day 4 to day 6 tomorrow. Okay, but the one to day 3 we finished it today, and I'm very very happy. Okay, and this project is just simply talking about to be able to download or install or run blockchain tools successfully without any stress, without any 10 hours of waiting to compile or build, no matter your system capacity. Okay, it's just to make sure that if you just click one button within a space of few minutes, your stuff should have been able to download and compile and build successfully. Okay, so that's just what this is all about. So see you guys tomorrow.